You know you need to start investing, but when you look at the financial markets, it can feel like standing in a massive supermarket with towering aisles and absolutely nothing in your cart. You might have 1,000 naira or $10 ready to put to work, but the items on these shelves, the individual assets, are priced way out of reach. Trying to buy a single share of a major tech company or a high-quality government bond costs thousands, sometimes millions. Your single bill won't even cover the checkout fee. Treating the stock market like a solo shopping trip leaves everyday people locked out of the tools that actually built long-term wealth. But imagine you didn't walk into that store alone. Imagine you walked in with 10,000 friends, and every single one of them brought their own 1,000 naira. With 10 million naira, the group has the power to fill the cart with every high-value item in the aisle at once. In finance, this collective strategy is called a mutual fund. Pooling your capital instantly shatters the barrier to entry, transforming small individual amounts into the kind of buying power usually reserved for big banks. With 10 million naira ready to spend, a new question pops up. Who actually decides what goes in the cart? This is where a fund manager steps in. They are licensed professional experts who act as personal shoppers for your group. Their full-time job is researching the markets and analyzing data to select the absolute best assets to make the pooled money grow.
If you're finding this interesting so far, you'll probably enjoy the rest of the channel. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and let's get back to it.
Hiring a professional fund manager takes the heavy lifting of research and daily market monitoring off your shoulders. These shoppers never spend the pool on just one item. Instead, they build a carefully curated mega hamper. This hamper contains a mix of different types of investments, putting shares of growing companies right alongside stable government bonds. Choosing this protective mix of different assets is called diversification. If one specific asset in the hamper underperforms, the other stable assets act as a buffer to help prevent a major loss for the group. This balanced strategy allows you to pursue potential gains while using the variety of assets to actively manage the risks of the market. Even so, you might wonder what happens to your mega hamper if the app or platform you used to buy it suddenly disappears. Strict government regulations provide a safeguard here. Cowrywise does not actually hold or possess your mega hamper. Instead, your assets are kept in independent vaults managed by SEC-regulated custodians and trustees, like Zenith Nominees and Meristem. This legal separation ensures that your assets remain secure and untouched, regardless of the platform's daily operations. This institutional security structure means your money is protected by law, giving you peace of mind as an investor. For your 1,000 naira, you own a specific slice of this perfectly curated basket. You are holding the exact same collection of assets that the world's most successful investors used to build their wealth. While a billionaire might buy the entire basket for themselves, you get the same proportional growth over time, starting for the price of a cup of coffee. Mutual funds function as the ultimate wealth equalizer, opening up elite financial tools to anyone with a plan. You can pick your own personal mega hamper right now on the Cowrywise app. A 60-second quiz matches you with a portfolio that fits your personality. Whether you prefer a low-risk steady plan, a balanced moderate approach, or a high-growth strategy that takes more risk. There is also a Cowrywise Halal option, ensuring Muslim users can access a riba-free hamper that aligns strictly with their faith and values. You don't need a massive fortune to begin building wealth. You just need a mutual fund. Let's grow together.